everyone, this is Laura from Traverse Bay Crochet, and today I'm going to show you how to make this cute little pumpkin, this crochet pumpkin, and we have a cute ribbon on it and some detail there. I have the written pattern available on my blog, and I'll post the link to that for the 3 sizes. So there's a large pumpkin with the dimensions also posted on the blog, a medium size, and a small pumpkin. And for the small pumpkin, this is the one we're going to be making today. And for this, you're going to need some medium worsted weight yarn. I'm using this pumpkin color. This is just Hobby Lobby's. I love this yarn. And then also we're going to be using ribbon, and I use a 1/4 inch in width to 1/2 inch. I got an assorted ribbons here that I found at Michael's, which I thought were fun because they're all Halloween themed, but you can go to any craft store and find some pretty ribbon, or on Amazon. And then I also got some cinnamon sticks. They're about 3 inches in length, and that is going to be our stem. So let's get started. We're going to be using a size H 5mm crochet hook, and we're going to start our little pumpkin by making a magic circle, and we're going to chain 2, and we're going to double crochet into our circle 12 double crochets total. And 12, and we're going to pull our circle closed, but not all the way closed. We want to leave a little bit of a circle here in the middle, because that is where our stem is going to go into later. So we're going to slip stitch to join, leaving that area open a little bit, just like that, and chain 2. And go ahead, and we're going to do 2 double crochet into each stitch around. Now we're going to slip stitch to join and chain 2. And for the next row, we're just going to double crochet into each stitch around. And slip stitch to join. And for the next 2 rows, you're just going to do chain 2 and double crochet into each stitch around. So go ahead and do that for 2 more rows and I will meet you back. Now we're going to slip stitch to join, chain 2, and for this round we're going to double crochet 2 together in all of our stitches around. This will decrease our pumpkin, and then we'll start adding some stuffing. So double crochet 2 together in each of the stitches around. And we're going to slip stitch to join. And now is the time where I would add your stuffing. Go ahead and just grab some stuffing and push it down in there. And you just want enough so that it's nice and firmed, not overstuffed or understuffed. That seems about right. And then we're going to continue on and chain 2 and double crochet 2 together in each of the stitches around. Okay, and slip stitch to join, and we're going to go ahead and fasten off. Grab my scissors. Okay, we're going to fasten that off and weave in our end. Okay, and fasten that off. Okay, so now we're going to cut a long piece of yarn for whatever kind of color contrasting yarn that you want. I'm going to color contrast with this gold. So cut a long piece of yarn, probably about a yard's length. And then we're going to start from the top where we fastened off. This is where we started. That's our hole that we made, and that will be our stem. So we're going to start here at this will be our bottom now, and poke your needle through that hole, pull through, not all the way. We're going to make a knot down here at the bottom. And now I'm going to bring my needle directly across to go through the hole again and come out the bottom as close to that middle point where we just made our knot. So that's directly across. And now we're going to do this again on about a quarter's width. We're going to be making 6 of these around, so we want it to be even. And we're going to do the same on the other side. So bring up your yarn again and go through the middle. And now we're going to bring it up on the other side. Go through the middle. Make sure these are nice and even. And bring it up one more time on the other side so it's again aligned with your string that's across from it. And go right down the middle again. So we have even little sections here, and we're just going to go around the end. Sometimes it's like this where it's not perfect, and I'll just put my needle through the bottom if I want it to have a more finished look, so that they're all pretty even, and then I just make a knot. Okay, and we can snip those ends. And that is our bottom, this is our top, and we're going to grab our cinnamon stick. And I'm just going to stick it right through the hole and push it down in there. Okay, and now I'm going, well, that one's separating on that side, so I'm going to put that down first. There we go. And I'm going to grab some ribbon. And I'm just going to weave it in and out of these, of the yarn, the color contrasting yarn. So I'm just going to weave it in and out, in and out. Pull, make sure your ribbon is even, and then we're going to make a knot, and then go ahead and make a little bow. I like to pull down a little and then pull on it again to make, you know, shape it how you would like it to be. And then with my scissors, cut a slant on a slant this way, and then a slant this way, and it gives it a nice finished look like that. So that is our cute little pumpkin, very fun to decorate with. Again, I will have the link to my blog post with all of the details on the different sizes on my blog, and I'll put that in the description. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more free patterns, and have a great day.